Hey fam, just finished my first trip into Allegiant Stadium. If you're thinking about coming to the Super Bowl this year, I have to say that this is an absolutely fantastic venue for it. It's very well thought out, it's clean, no lines for the bathrooms, they're rocking it. I can tell you that folks have been optimizing the Wi-Fi and the connectivity for the game. That said, smaller stadium than you've expected years prior, only about 67,000 people that can fit inside the stadium. So that means those baseline ticket prices are gonna be a little pricier. So brace yourself. The face value tickets start at $2,200 and go up to $6,300, and that's not including all the baller suites. So if the Super Bowl's on your bucket list and you're like me and you like Las Vegas, maybe give it a go this year. Otherwise, enjoy watching from home. What's up, Nerd Fam, and welcome back to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. We are